Okay, so most of you already received this flyer, and in the flyer we have a link here that actually shows like if you click on the link, it will take you to the website, and you will see that there is a form that you have to submit so that we know that the people are interested in this course. And once you submit this form, we will send you notification and other information about the courses. So this is what the course schedules are. So the first course, the Introduction to Bioinformatics, starts in January 24th, that is next week. And it's pretty much a month-long course. The second course, the Genomics and Genomic Data Analysis, starts on the 25th of January, and it's a little bit longer than the first course. It ends on the March 22nd. And you can either take the Genomics or the Metagenomics Data Analysis. And the last course starts on January 27 until April 21st. So before you take these courses, you have to register through LSU, more specifically via the Gene Lab. So to register it, first of all, you have to have an iLab account. So after this orientation session, I will send you all the links and important informations on how to register. So first you need to create an account in the iLab or the Gene Lab. The people who are already in the LSU vet school, you guys already use the iLab for utilizing some of the instruments. It's a core facility for us. Whoever doesn't have the account, they have to sign up. And sometimes some of the students already face this issue that their PI's names are not on the link on this system. So for those people, they have to inform us their PI name, email address, and phone number so that we can include the PI in this system. So once you sign up for an account, you will see a page like this. And then I will scroll down here. I'll scroll down here and you have to create an account and then you sign in. And after you sign in, you will see on the left-hand side, the core facilities. You have to click on that core facilities, and then you will see the CDER core facilities and services. You have to click on that. And after that, you will see a page like this. And then on the right-hand side, on top corner, you will see the request services. So it will take you to the training module. Once you click on the request service, it will take you to the training module, and you can see and select like what are the courses that you are interested in, whether you are taking the one course, the first course, or all of them. You will select those courses. And then right now you don't see it here, but the updated system will have the names of the courses. Then you can select it. Afterwards, you have to put the phone number. If you are outside the LSU or the LBRN program, then you have to have your specific phone number for us. Otherwise, you just write LSU or LBRN, and then we will put the account number here. So after that, you will just have to submit the request to us, and we will go through all the information, and then we'll accept it, and then the registration will be complete. So after this orientation session, I will send you all about the informations and everything and the procedure, how to register, so that if there's any confusion, you can look at it. And after that, if there's any other questions, I will be happy to help you. Just contact me. That's it.